Okay, let's talk about something huge happening with one of the biggest AIs out there. ChatGPT is rolling out a new feature that's seriously going to change the game. We're talking about a complete transformation in how you use it, making it way, way more powerful. So, to really get a grip on how big of a deal this is, let me ask you something. Think about your phone for a second. What's the most powerful feature on it? Is it the crazy good camera? The super fast processor? Maybe that beautiful screen? Nope. It's the App Store, right? Think about it. Without the App Store, your phone is, well, it's just a phone. But with it, suddenly, it's your music studio, your personal food delivery service, a graphic design canvas. It's basically a portal to do almost anything you can imagine. Okay, so keep that idea in your head, that idea of a portal to endless capabilities. Because that exact same concept, it's now landing squarely in the world of AI. And the comparison is just perfect, isn't it? Your phone's app store makes your phone do more. Well, this new ChatGPT app directory is a central hub for tools that does the same for the AI. But here's the kicker, the really cool part. These tools work directly inside the chatbot. No jumping between apps, just one smooth, seamless experience. So what does that really mean for you? It means you're not just having a conversation with an AI anymore. Now, you're actually talking to your apps, but you're doing it through the AI. So forget about flipping between a dozen different windows or all that tedious copying and pasting. This one change turns ChatGPT from a simple chatbot into a seriously powerful, do-everything personal assistant. And you know what the best part is? It's ridiculously simple. I mean, using these incredibly powerful tools is now just as easy as typing a message to a friend. It's basically a three-step move. First, you type the @ symbol. That pops up a list of all your apps. Second, you just pick the one you need. And third, you just tell it what you want it to do. In plain English. No coding, no weird commands, just talk to it. Okay, that all sounds cool in theory, right? But what does it actually look like in the real world? Let's dive into a few examples that really show off what this can do. All right, picture this. You need to whip up a quick graphic for your social media. Normally, you'd open a new tab, go to a design site, but now you just stay right where you are and type this into the chat. And bam, just like that, you've got the full power of Canva at your fingertips. You can instantly create designs, flyers, whatever you need without ever leaving the chat. It's all about bringing the tools to you instead of you having to go find them. Okay, how about another one? A real creative powerhouse. Let's say you've got a photo, and it just needs that little extra professional polish. All you have to do is type, and there you go. You're literally using Adobe Photoshop inside a chat window. An effect like lens blur, think about that. That used to mean opening the app, finding the right menu, fiddling with sliders. Now, it's one simple sentence. That is a total game changer for anyone's workflow. All right, let's switch gears to something super practical. Let's say you're looking for a new place to live. You know the drill, right? You go to a website, you mess around with a bunch of confusing filters, or you could just ask. What this does is let you tap into these huge, complicated databases just by talking. You don't have to be a search expert anymore. You just tell Zillow what you're looking for, almost like you're chatting with a real estate agent who knows everything. But look, this isn't just for big creative projects or serious work stuff. Not at all. This is about to become a part of our everyday lives in some really cool ways. I mean, think about it. You can plan out all your meals for the week and get your DoorDash cart loaded up. Or you can tell Apple Music to build you the perfect playlist for your morning run. All of this just by talking. It's all about making those little daily tasks so much easier. And this really hits on a key idea that the folks over at AI for Daily Living talk about a lot. This whole concept of using AI to streamline our normal day-to-day routines, making life just a little bit more efficient. So when you take a step back and really look at all of this together, it's pretty clear this is way more than just another feature update. This is something much bigger. What we're really seeing here is the evolution of ChatGPT from being a tool you just ask questions to into an assistant that you actually do things with. It's moving beyond being a simple chatbot and becoming a central integrated hub for pretty much your whole digital life. And that really leaves us with a pretty mind-blowing question to think about, doesn't it? What we've seen today is just the very beginning. A few apps for design, for house hunting, for getting dinner. But imagine when this whole thing grows up, when basically every app is an AI app you can talk to. What's the first thing you're going to build? What's the first thing you're going to do?